I don't know if you can tell, but it is bloody hot out here today. I'm sure it's in the 90s. I gotta call it a day. I'm going today to get the plywood and the corrugated plastic. Had to make a way for my trailer to be legal to get me from here to there since it's not finished yet. Hello and welcome to whytravel.g6. Today I'm going to do something a little different. Today I won't be bringing the trailer out of the garage because I'll be working on the storage box that will go in the front half of the trailer. For this I'm just going to be creating the box out of steel and I don't need the trailer outside to do that. So it looks like we have addition back 1 foot. By consulting my hand-drawn plans, I can remember what I was supposed to do. Alrighty, this needs to be 3 feet here. Here's why welding is so cool. That's it, I'm set up and ready to go. I don't need screws or nails or a drill or a hammer or any craziness, just bam. Hook it up, start welding. 4 feet. It is 4 feet. It should be an inside measure of 20 inches. It is. As should this. It is. Here I should have 45 inches. We should have. Oi! I'm thinking that weld didn't quite stay where it was supposed to. It's gotten way too hot out here to keep working. Give you an idea. Gives you an idea of what I'm working with. This is a vertical structure to support the roof. So this will be the head end of the bed. The rest of the camper will go that way. This is the bunk where 2 of our beds will be. Underneath will be the storage area, all the way up under this nose part. The boys' feet will head out this way, and this will be the front wall. So the front wall will curve up like this and come around to the back. Tight squeeze, that'll do the trick. Today's first task is to undo my professional tape job on my wiring for my lights from my emergency home improvement store run. I ended up at Lowe's and Home Depot. I woke up this morning, let the dog out, and it's 60 degrees out here, and I scurried to get my cooler weather clothing on, get out here and weld while the weather is cold. I have not been out here for a couple days because I've been producing my project videos, my whytravel.g6 project edition videos. Again, one of my favorite parts about welding is the prep time. Boom, done, ready to weld. Love it. One of my projects last couple days was to make a boat out of some 2x4s using a belt sander. Everything's covered in dust, which is a-okay, but a lot of dust. Now, the task at hand is to get the front storage room walls put together. That was my quick fix for getting to the hardware stores, which I did successfully. Nobody had a word. My kooky taped on tail light. Nah, you kidding me? I'm gonna stay here until I have to take my vest off. Then I'm gonna stay here longer. leave the stop motion video running.
Ah, the time lapse?
This is, yeah.
So where does the door go?
On this side of the wheel.
Cool. How tall is the
Inside or outside?
well, like,
Say, want to help me out?
sure.
For you. Make sure that doesn't fall.
Are you welding? How do you weld? Yeah.
Yeah.
I bet you do.
Oh, you're right there. I didn't see it. Trying to think where it might be easiest for you. Why don't you come up here? Let me get off the trailer first. Alright, so this morning we're joined by another special guest. Kylie's learning how to weld today. We take her hood off.
Oh, is Kylie gonna weld?
It is gonna weld, so do
It's a lot of fun.
that.
You'll probably be really good at it.
Hold on. Flip your helmet up so you can see what you're doing. There you go. Up on the trailer. Alright, so when you squeeze this trigger, out comes a little metal filament.
Okay.
It's just like hot glue.
Yeah.
I'll shut my eyes. Alright, so when you touch here, it flips out like that. It burns really bright and you can see it. So you want to get the hot glue part, the straddle part. So flux core wire, you want to put it right in between there and just hold it on there for like 3 seconds in one spot like this. See what happens. See how I had my eyes closed so I couldn't see what I was doing. So
Hold it. You gotta hold it on it.
So hold it right in that crack, and what you're trying to do is get the two pieces to melt together. All right, I'm gonna grab a pair of dogs and doing this. So what I do is here, I take my left. Can you see me? Wait, I put my left hand here because this is not hot. So I hold this and then put my hand against here
Okay.
so that you can steer it nicely. Okay, let's take a look at it.
Good
Perfect.
job.
Oh, you good?
Kylie,
Perfect.
that was perfect.
Now do more next to each other, and you can keep going in a slow line if you want, or you can just do another tack next to that one.
Okay.
I would try the line because you're doing well. Let's take a look. Holy smokes. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Kylie's first weld is as good as anybody else's 100th weld.
Yeah.
That shouldn't be a surprise to anybody.
Surprise to me.
So what do you think so far? Yeah. Yeah, I'm glad to have you coming. That's fun. One thing I want my kids to know how to weld and do cool stuff. Okay? Coming to weld?
Yeah, sure.
All right. So, you know how to work one of these?
Generally, yes.
Alright, so you work one of those. So you go get the other ones in the grass. So, Isaac is going to learn to weld today. This is Isaac.
Hi.
Hi. Toby wants to learn to weld today. This is Toby. So we're going to have Toby, Kylie, and Isaac all out here learning to weld today. Noah already knows how to weld, but we might get him out here anyway. You'll need this. So right up in the corner. Go ahead. Put the little metal sliver right up in the corner. Yep. The welding wire. And okay, go ahead. Just leave it on for a few seconds. Like 2 or 3 seconds. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Now come my way a bit. Come my way a bit. Come my way a bit. Put it, leave it in one spot. Come my way a bit. Leave it in that spot. And let's take a look. Just hit it here and it'll pop right up. There you go. That right there is a really good first weld. All right. Now, we need to measure this one to be 12 feet. Can you get me? All right, so Isaac, you go down to the front of the trailer till you stay here. I'm gonna lay this on top of there, Isaac. Trap it with your hands, just lightly, and hold it. All right, now I'm gonna pull towards me. All right, Toby, have you ever used one of those clamps?
Yep.
All right, come in right here, this way, under this way, and clamp it. That way. Now, give it a good squeeze with the main trigger. Toby, you come up on the trailer. Give him the welding helmet already. Ready, steady, go. Keep it going, keep it going, keep it going, keep it going. Okay, stop.
The bright light. We can
Now pop your hood up. Let's see what you did. Okay, perfect. See how yours melted?
Good job, Toby.
Right between the two?
Yeah.
Stuck together perfect, permanently. Now hold that. 1,002. Keep going. 1,003. 1,004. All right, get back on there. And right in, we got hood up, helmet up. See where we're in between where there's no solder, no welding. We need to melt that now. So 4 seconds on that spot. And then ready, steady, go. What do you think of them apples? Cool. Here, pop your helmet up and let's take a look. Good morning.
How do you say? How do you say? How do you say?
Look at that. Oh, Mommy, you should see Toby's weld.
I know, he's probably better than I am.
And that's that. Now all the Grangers know how to weld. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos on YouTube.